Hey guys, Amit here and I have Ranjit with me here and we are in Bali. And in this video I'm throwing a drone challenge on him. He has never tried a drone earlier.
It's not legal in India, but in Bali we can fly, so like, why not?
Again, not everywhere in Bali. We have...
In this place we can
Yeah. In some places it says no flight zone. But again, I'll give you a quick 30-second tutorial on how he could fly it out. So this is no cheat challenge. I really hope it doesn't crash my drone.
He's trusting my drone. First time flying here, and we have a pool there. It might land there.
The only place I don't want him to drop is in the pool. Because apart from that, there are all paddy fields around. So I'm completely safe. But it would be hard to find one. So here's a simple tutorial, Ranjit. No cheating again. Just quickly learn this.
Okay.
This is how it goes up.
Okay.
This is how it goes down.
Fine.
Hold these two buttons down at the same time to take it up in the air for the first time.
Oh.
And then go up, down, down.
Okay.
This is to move front and move back.
Okay.
Simple. Left, right, in case you would like to move the video in the left and right direction.
Full 8 axis.
Everything. And then sports mode, will disable it for now.
Okay.
This is to pause, this is to switch it on.
Okay.
Video recording on, capturing a photo, but you can control that with the smartphone. So here is how. Again, I have connected this with my OnePlus 6. So in order to use this, first time it says enter device. So we'll switch it on. On the drone, you need to tap this 2 times. Long press 1 and 2.
Okay, it's done.
It's on. There's a lot of dirt here because I crash landed. There's another video on
Oh,
that.
it started here.
It's already started.
Red light.
So now it says enter device. Let me quickly enter this. Enter the camera view, connect to the aircraft. Detecting the aircraft and
It's
done.
detected. Okay.
So
That's
it says go fly. And now this thing should be in your control.
I should leave it, right? Now.
Yeah, I'll just switch it. So you can see the live video view.
Ah,
So
see,
this
yeah,
is the
yeah.
camera.
See a camera.
This is the camera. I'll try to show it to you.
I'm moving the sea. Okay, I move this, it moves.
You're right.
So I can see the footage there.
Exactly. So that's how it works. Let's quickly get started. It says no positioning, no altitude, so weak GPS signal.
Okay, I'll place it in an open area.
Yeah,
Okay.
and that hope.
Okay.
Let's hope it works.
Okay, let's see if I crash it or not.
Yeah, good to go.
Oh. It's going.
Start recording the video.
Okay, I press this record button, right?
Yes, now it's recording. Now
Now it's rotated once. Yeah, it's rotating.
You might move a little back.
You're getting a call. That's the one.
I'm getting a call on the...
I'm rejecting it anyway.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's rotating. So I can see, you can see the RD field.
You might want to go up.
I'll go up. Now it's gone up. Okay, man, move it. Oh. Now Amit, if it lands, it'll land in the pool. Okay, let's do a pan now. You see some field there?
So how easy was the takeoff?
Actually, it was not bad.
It's easy, right? And how about a flip in the air?
You didn't teach me. Again, I'm call for some reason.
I'm getting a lot of calls on this phone
Bali
right
is
now.
getting calls. See, imagine how busy this person is. So, let's fly.
Now let's go up. In the same. Don't move around. Let me just zoom into the camera.
It's pretty up.
I'm just zooming in. The camera is right now at 3x. 4, 5, 6, 7, 12x. Hell.
Some people don't understand.
Yeah, exactly. Okay, so you're rotating it to get some nice video shots. So I'll be adding the video shot footage at the end of this video. So that's how easy it is to control this drone.
We don't have a key, automatically come down.
So yes, you have an option. Yeah, back to
So
home.
it should land
It
automatically.
should land automatically.
Okay, I press that.
So you have pressed that, right?
Yeah, I pressed once. It's not coming.
You might want to take it
Manually. Okay.
manually. Bring it back.
It's fine now.
Don't crash it. Don't crash it. There's a tree. How about taking it over the pool? Okay, now it's
it's configured.
before us, so we are exactly against. Stop it. Hey, so that's
Yeah, it's beeping now.
let's drop it down now.
Then I'll bring it down.
Yeah. Just long press and it should land.
Oh, that was cool.
So how was the experience? The first time flying a DJI drone?
Actually, it's not bad. It's easy actually.
Okay.
Okay.
The recording has stopped.
Yeah. So yeah, I didn't crash. Now I'm feeling confident.
So now it's time to do the real fly down. Take off.
Very windy. It's actually most of the wind.
Yeah, you're going to crash it. You're going to crash it. Slow, slow, slow. Take it towards the pool.
But the wind is going. It's so windy. See? May see you now.
Okay.
So yeah, but again I would say it's not a kid's toy.
Yeah, of course.
Not a kid's toy, but yeah, it tests me. Actually, I thought it would be very tough. No, it is easy. As you can see, I can go back now. Confident. See, I'm going front. I'm going back. So yeah, and we can go up obviously like that, and we can rotate the camera, right? See,
Right.
I'm trying to do that now. It's standing in that. I'm just rotating the camera. So that, yeah, you can see us now.
So that's it, guys. So Ranjit has won this drone challenge.
I didn't crash it.
Yeah, he at least didn't crash it.
I'm glad
And
you did that.
I'm happy, not because he has passed the test, but he has not crashed the drone.
This drone survived.
But I really hope I can take it back to India. Now that's the second test on me now. If the customs officer don't
Let's see.
catch it,
That's a different time.
that's a different story. But yeah, so this was a good experience, right? It's
Yeah,
simple
I
one.
actually liked it. Yeah, I hope in India they start allowing this. If they do that, definitely I'll buy it.
After this video, we're going on a bike ride and you'll be flying the drone on the back.
Oh my god.
Chalo, see you guys and have a good day. Bye bye.